بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والطور وكتاب مسطور في رق منشور والبيت المعمور والسقف المرفوع والبحر المسجور إن عذاب ربك لواقع ما له من دافع.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By the mount, and by the book inscribed, in parchment unrolled, and by the sacred house in the heavens, and by the canopy raised high, and by the sea swollen and filled, surely the torment of your Lord will come to pass. There is none that can avert it.
يوم تمور السماء مورا وتسير الجبال سيرا فويل يومئذ للمكذبين الذين هم في خوض يلعبون يوم يدعون إلى نار جهنم دعا هذه النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون أفسحر هذا أم أنتم لا تبصرون اصلوها فاصبروا أو لا تصبروا سواء عليكم إنما تجزون ما كنتم تعملون.
On the day when the heavens will heave with a dreadful shaking, and the mountains will move away with a terrible movement, then woe that day to the deniers, who are blundering in falsehood. The day when they will be pushed down by force to the fire of hell irresistibly. This is the fire which you used to deny. Is this magic, or do you not see? Taste its heat, and whether you are patient of it or impatient of it, it is all the same. You are only being recompensed for what you used to do.
إن المتقين في جنات ونعيم فاكهين بما آتاهم ربهم ووقاهم ربهم عذاب الجحيم كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون متكئين على سرر مصفوفة وزوجناهم بحور عين.
Surely the pious will be in gardens and in delight, enjoying that which their Lord has bestowed on them, and that their Lord saved them from the torment of the blazing fire. Eat and drink with happiness because of what you used to do. They will recline with ease on thrones arranged in ranks, and we shall marry them to fair ones with wide and lovely eyes.
والذين آمنوا واتبعتهم ذريتهم بإيمان ألحقنا بهم ذريتهم وما ألتناهم من عملهم من شيء كل امرئ بما كسب رهين وأمددناهم بفاكهة ولحم مما يشتهون يتنازعون فيها كأسا لا لغو فيها ولا تأثيم.
And those who believe and whose offspring follow them in faith, to them shall we join their offspring, and we shall not decrease the reward of their deeds in the slightest. Every person is paid for that which he has earned, and we shall provide them with fruit and meats such as they desire. There they shall pass a cup from hand to hand between them, free from any vanity and free from sin.
ويطوف عليهم غلمان لهم كأنهم لؤلؤ مكنون وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون قالوا إنا كنا قبل في أهلنا مشفقين فمن الله علينا ووقانا عذاب السموم إنا كنا من قبل ندعوه إنه هو البر الرحيم فذكر فما أنت بنعمة ربك بكاهن ولا مجنون.
And there will go round boy servants of theirs to serve them, as if they were preserved pearls. And some of them will draw near to others, questioning, saying, Before we were afraid with our families from the punishment of Allah. But Allah has been gracious to us, and has saved us from the torment of the fire. Surely we used to invoke Him alone and none else. Surely He is the most subtle, the most merciful. Therefore, remind and preach to mankind, O Muhammad, by the grace of Allah, you are neither a soothsayer nor a madman.
أم يقولون شاعر نتربص به ريب المنون قل تربصوا فإني معكم من المتربصين أم تأمرهم أحلامهم بهذا أم هم قوم طاغون أم يقولون تقوله بل لا يؤمنون فليأتوا بحديث مثله إن كانوا صادقين.
Or do they say, Muhammad is a poet, we await for him some calamity by time? Say to them, O Muhammad, wait then, I too am among those who wait. Do their minds command them to do this, or are they but a people exceeding all bounds? Or do they say, He, Muhammad, has forged this Quran? No, they do not believe. Then let them produce a recital like the Quran if they are truthful.
أم خلقوا من غير شيء أم هم الخالقون أم خلقوا السماوات والأرض بل لا يوقنون أم عندهم خزائن ربك أم هم المسيطرون أم لهم سلم يستمعون فيه فليأت مستمعهم بسلطان مبين.
Were they created by nothing, or were they themselves the creators? Or did they create the heavens and the earth? No, but they have no firm belief. Or do they have with them the treasures of your Lord? Or are they tyrants with the authority to do as they like? Or do they have a stairway to the heavens, by means of which they listen to the speech of the angels? Then let their listeners produce some manifest proof.
أم له البنات ولكم البنون أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون أم يريدون كيدا فالذين كفروا هم المكيدون.
Or has he only daughters, and have you sons? Or is it that you, O Muhammad, ask a wage from them, so they are burdened with a debt? Or do they possess the unseen and then write it down? Or do they intend a plot against you, O Muhammad? But those who disbelieve are themselves ensnared.
أم لهم إله غير الله سبحان الله عما يشركون وإن يروا كسفا من السماء ساقطا يقولوا سحاب مركوم فذرهم حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي فيه يصعقون.
Or do they have a God other than Allah? Glorified be Allah from all that they ascribe as partners to Him. And if they were to see a piece of the heavens falling down, they would say, Clouds gathered in heaps. So leave them alone till they meet their day, when they will be struck with horror.
يوم لا يغني عنهم كيدهم شيئا ولا هم ينصرون وإن للذين ظلموا عذابا دون ذلك ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
The day when their plotting shall not avail them at all, nor will they be helped. And surely for those who do wrong, there is another punishment before this, but most of them do not know.
واصبر لحكم ربك فإنك بأعيننا وسبح بحمد ربك حين تقوم ومن الليل فسبحه وإدبار النجوم.
So wait patiently, O Muhammad, for the decision of your Lord, for surely you are under our eyes, and glorify the praises of your Lord when you wake from sleep, and also in the night time glorify his praises, and at the setting of the stars at dawn.
صدق الله العلي العظيم.